Another thing that you can do is that you can assemble a product. You can assemble a product. Now, to assemble a product is to put a product together. So that means that you can find the different parts of that product and you put it together. So you can, like a technician who assembles office furniture on contract for customers of office supply stores at the customer's home or the place of business. So you learn the nitty gritty. I love that word, nitty gritty. You learn the nitty gritty of coupling different different things, and so you provide that service. So you connect yourself on the one hand to the suppliers or the wholesalers or whoever it is that provides those parts, so that they can connect you with their customers. Their customers will need those things assembled either in their offices or at their homes. And your responsibility is to go there and help them couple. So that is one way to assemble a product. But there are other ways to assemble products. You can buy parts of a particular product from different parts of the world, and then you couple it here in the country and you sell it as your own product, ensuring that you make a margin of the total assemblage. That is an opportunity pointer. That is a way that you can find an opportunity. Right? I hope you're excited about this. So you assemble a product, you put the product together, and you can even do this even with services. You can assemble a service. There may be an area where people are offering different services that are disjointed, but your responsibility now becomes that I'm going to put up these different services. I'm going to bring them into one place. I'll build a website, for example, that aggregates all the different services that people need in, let's say, finding voters during an election. And you build that website, and people are able to come to your website and find their voters and share their manifestos. And you see, you have an opportunity. You have created an opportunity for yourself by assembling a service. So this is very interesting and very important. You can take advantage of it.